Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are installing a control fire system. Here is a VS which we shall connect with the power supply and then the fire control panel. And we have a relay there. We shall connect both. So guys, if you are new to our channel, you subscribe, like and comment, or in case you have any questions about fire control system, you can ask as we continue learning about the installation of fire alarm system. That one is a panel we have fit with the zoning. As you can see, this panel is for 8 zone, and each zone it has the smoke detectors connected with coal points. And then we have the side of sounders which we have connected to this panel, and we shall inside the battery there, a backup battery in case the power is not there. The system can work using a backup battery. So guys, subscribe, like